Welcome back to Miss English Channel. Close your eyes for a moment. Hear the soft rain tapping outside your window, a bus passing by, and people talking. That is real English in daily life.
And today we will step into that world together. 10 conversations, 10 real-life moments you can use today.
These dialogues are for A1, A2 learners. They're short, clear, and full of useful phrases you can start using immediately. Remember, even small steps matter. Done is better than perfect.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Stay with us, repeat the phrases, and by the end, you'll feel more confident in English. Let's begin with the first scene.
You walk into a small cafe. The doorbell rings softly, and the smell of fresh coffee makes you smile. Your friend waves at you.
Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hey, Tom. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Do you want coffee or tea?
Coffee, please. I need some energy.
Simple, right? 2 phrases shine here. How are you today? And coffee, please. Clear and polite.
Try them with us. Ready? How are you today?
Good. Now, coffee, please. Perfect.
From the cafe, let's step outside. The sky is still gray, and you walk to the bus stop. People are waiting, and the sound of the bus engine grows louder.
Excuse me, does this bus go to Central Station?
Yes, it does. You need to get off at the last stop.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The question, does this bus go to Central Station, is so useful when you travel.
And don't forget, you're welcome is the polite reply after thank you.
Try it now. Does this bus go to Central Station? Excellent.
After a short bus ride, you arrive at a supermarket. Bright lights and soft background music welcome you. The smell of fresh bread fills the air.
Hello, can I have 1 kilo of apples, please?
Sure, red or green apples.
Red, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Here, the phrase, "Can I have, please," is polite and powerful.
Let's practice together. Can I have 1 kilo of apples, please? Your turn. Great work.
You finish shopping and head to the airport for a short trip. The hall is noisy, announcements echo in every corner, and you suddenly realize something is wrong.
Excuse me, my luggage is missing.
I'm sorry to hear that. What does your bag look like?
It's black with a red tag.
Don't worry, we will check right away.
This situation is stressful, but the phrase, my luggage is missing, is short, clear, and direct.
And notice how the staff replies with empathy. I'm sorry to hear that. You can use this phrase in many situations.
Finally, after finding your bag, you head to a restaurant to relax. The soft sound of music and the clink of glasses make the room feel warm.
Excuse me, does this dish contain milk?
Yes, it has cheese. Are you allergic?
Yes, I am. Could you recommend something without milk?
Sure, you can try the grilled chicken.
2 key phrases here. Does this dish contain and I am allergic. Both are important for health and safety.
Say it with us. I am allergic. Strong, clear, and serious. Excellent.
Let's pause and look at 5 words from today.
Number 1, luggage, meaning bags or suitcases. Synonym, baggage. Example, my luggage is heavy.
Number 2, allergy. When food makes you sick. Synonym, reaction. Example, I have a peanut allergy.
Number 3, counter, the place in a shop where you pay. Synonym, cashier. Example, I pay at the counter.
Number 4, recommend, to suggest something. Synonym, advice. Example, I recommend this book.
Number 5, tag, a small label. Synonym, Label. Example, my bag has a red tag.
Let's stop here for a moment. We've covered 5 real-life conversations at a cafe, on the bus, at the supermarket, at the airport, and in a restaurant.
Each one gives you useful words and polite phrases. Even if you remember just one today, you are already improving.
Yes, keep going. Practice with us, repeat aloud, and write one phrase in the comments you will use today.
And don't go away. In the next part, we will explore 5 more conversations at the park, in a shop, at school, on the phone, and in an emergency.
Stay tuned. Take a breath, feel proud of yourself, and let's continue.
Welcome back. You are doing amazing. In the first part, we practiced 5 everyday conversations. Now, let's continue with the next 5.
These dialogues will take us to the park, a clothing shop, the school classroom, a phone call, and even an emergency situation. Real life is full of surprises, and English helps us face them with confidence.
Birds are singing, children are laughing, and the sun is shining. You sit on a bench, and someone sits next to you.
Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm, perfect for the park.
The phrase, "Is this seat free?" is polite and useful anywhere, not just in the park.
And small talk like, it's a beautiful day, makes conversations friendly. Try it now. It's a beautiful day. Great.
After your walk in the park, you stop by a clothing store. Bright lights shine and mirrors make the room sparkle. You pick up a shirt and smile.
Excuse me, can I try this shirt on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you. Does it come in blue?
Yes, we have blue and black.
Can I try this on is a phrase you need for shopping.
And does it come in blue helps you ask for colors or sizes. Repeat with us. Does it come in blue? Excellent.
Now let's move to the classroom. The sound of pencils on paper and pages turning fills the air. A student walks up to the teacher's desk. Excuse me, can you help me with this exercise?
Of course. Which part is difficult?
Number 3. I don't understand it.
No problem. Let's look at it together.
The key phrase, can you help me with? Very useful in school, work, or even daily life.
Remember, asking for help is not weakness. It's smart learning. Growth comes when you ask, learn, and practice.
Later, your phone rings. You answer, but the voice on the other side is not who you expect. Hello?
Hi, is this Mr. Johnson?
Sorry, you have the wrong number.
Oh, excuse me. Thank you.
The phrase, sorry, you have the wrong number, is very common on the phone.
Short, clear, polite. Practice now. Sorry, you have the wrong number. Perfect.
And finally, let's move to a more serious situation. It's late at night and you hear shouting on the street. Someone looks hurt and you call for help.
Hello, I need an ambulance.
What happened?
A man is injured. He is bleeding.
Stay calm. Help is on the way. The phrase, I need an ambulance, is urgent and important.
And help is on the way gives comfort in a scary situation. These phrases could save a life. Let's highlight 5 new words from today.
Number 1, bench, a long seat in the park. Synonym, seat. Example, I sit on the bench.
Number 2, fitting room, the place to try clothes. Synonym, changing room. Example, the fitting room is near the mirror.
Number 3, exercise, a task in a book. Synonym, task. Example, I can't do this exercise.
Number 4, ambulance, a vehicle for emergencies. Synonym, emergency car. Example, the ambulance arrived fast.
Number 5, injured, hurt, or wounded. Synonym, hurt. Example, the player is injured.
Now, Let's practice together. I will say the start of the phrase and you finish it. Ready?
Can I try this? Yes. On. Very good.
Sorry, you have the wrong. Yes. Number. Excellent.
And one more. I need an... That's right. Ambulance. Fantastic job.
Now that you know these 10 conversations, let's add something extra.
In English, small talk makes big connections. Saying, nice weather, or how are you today, opens the door to friendship.
And remember the growth mindset. Even 1% improvement every day creates big change over time.
So don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every wrong word is a step toward fluency.
Today, we practiced 10 conversations. At the cafe, on the bus, at the supermarket, at the airport, in the restaurant, in the park, in the shop, in the classroom, on the phone, and in an emergency situation.
Each one gives you power to face real life. You now have 20 or more phrases to use every day.
Even if you remember just one, you are already moving forward.
Yes, English is not about perfection. It's about connection.
The rain has stopped. The street is quiet. A bus drives by. A child laughs. And in those simple sounds, English lives.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing that you can grow.
Comment one phrase you will use today. Share this video with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English channel.
We are here with you, step by step. Your English journey is just beginning, and it is beautiful.